Remember I made these? Let's see. These are the dinosaur designs I got done. We got Tylosaur. Let's see what else. What else? On Hynerpaton. Which ones we got done next? Caligathere. Argentinosaurus. Spinosaurus. Acrocanthosaurus. Ephygia. Diplodocus. Megalodon. Cychania. Therizinosaurus. And basically that's it. I'm sure you guys can draw something like this as well. Go ahead. I need you to find out. You guys are very honored to draw something like this as well. Just sign up your best picture, place it in the comment section below, and, well, just place the link in the comment section below, and I'll rank you guys which one of you will be the best dinosaur creator. Just place it on either the YouTube or the Twitter account. The option is yours.